How to set up SiriusXM on iPhone. Download the SiriusXM from the iPhone App Store and install it on your device. Open the app and sign in with your existing SiriusXM account, or create a new account if you don't have one. Ensure your iPhone is connected to cellular data or Wi-Fi to stream content successfully. If you use Apple CarPlay in your car, connect your iPhone to your CarPlay-enabled vehicle using a USB cable or wireless connection as supported by your car. Open the SiriusXM app on your iPhone and select SiriusXM from the CarPlay dashboard to start streaming channels through your car system. To play SiriusXM directly on your iPhone, simply browse the app's channels, choose your desired station, and tap to listen. For enhanced experience, you can also AirPlay SiriusXM content from your iPhone to an Apple TV or HomePod if desired. If this was your first time, you may want to explore the app's on-demand content, create custom playlists, and personalize your listening experience via the My SXM dashboard. When finished, simply close the app or disconnect your iPhone if using CarPlay. Subscribe.